Hi, I'm Chris with Carnival Cruise Line, and this is episode 271 of Yakety-Yak, straight from the Yak's mouth. John Heald, Carnival Cruise Line's brand ambassador, used to post on his Facebook page where you could ask him a question. He'd read the questions. And he'd answer the questions. We read the questions and the answers, and we take the cool, the funny, the weird, the myths, so we put them here for you. So on today's episode, we're talking about, I chose early dining. It says 6 p.m. Is that the actual time it starts? On a 14-day cruise, will they have different dining room menus for each of the 14 nights? Can I bring pouches of baby food that have a little twist off top? Can I bring my red light therapy mask on board? And the new sailing sign card. It looks bigger, is it?
And this is straight from the Yak's mouth.
All right, question one. This cruiser wanted to know when they choose the early dining option ahead of time, it says 6 p.m. But when they get on board, it ends up being 5:30, and on their last cruise, it was at 5:15. Why is it stated time was 6 o'clock when it's never 6 o'clock? John said, yes, on some ships, they will change the early dining time depending on the demographics of the ship. Some of them still do start at 6 p.m. We don't use the MDR that much. We're more buffet and other type of food people. But I think that would be annoying. You know, at 6 o'clock you're planning for it and you get on board and it's 5:15. That's a little early for dinner. I mean, maybe if it's a older demographic, so they get their like Denny's early blue plate special deals. I don't know. But there you go. Question two. This cruiser is going on a 14-day cruise and wanted to know if they will have different dining options in the dining room every night. John said, yes, indeed. Each and every night will feature new items and the menu will not repeat itself for the entire 14-day cruise, which is pretty cool. I mean, they gotta have a lot of different food options on there. I don't know how big that galley is. But anyway. So if you like getting something different every night on a Journeys cruise, you most certainly could. Speaking of like, if you like what you see and you enjoy cruising content, please like and subscribe. We would greatly appreciate that. Question three. This cruiser is traveling with a baby and wanted to know if they can bring pouches of baby food that have the little twisty top on it. John said, yes, you absolutely can. But make sure it's not in a glass bottle, because they have little twisty tops too. But yeah, no glass bottles are allowed to be brought on. So if it's those little squeezy pouch things with a twist top, you're good. Question four. This cruiser wants to know if a red light therapy mask would be allowed to be brought on board. It does not get hot or warm, and it runs off a battery pack that plugs through a USB. John said, as long as there is no heating element, then it would be fine to bring. Does anybody use these? We were at Costco a couple weeks ago, and as I'm walking by, I look over and I see the picture on the box, but it's like a lady with a red face and eyes sticking out. It looked creepy. It kind of looked like Iron Man, so I don't know what they're for, but look kind of creepy. Anyway, you can bring them on board if you have one and you like using it. Last question. This cruiser saw photos of the new sail and sign cards and was wondering about the size. In the picture that was posted, it looked like the new card was a little bit bigger than the old card. John said they are the absolute same size and they're just horizontal instead of vertical. Or is it vertical instead of horizontal? Vertical. I think it's vertical. They will also have a punch hole for the people that like putting on a lanyard. The punch hole will automatically be in there. So, ta-da! It is the same size. Nothing new. I do like that it has the days on it, though. I think that's kind of cool. Yeah, it's kind of a conversation starter. That's just me. Anyway, that's been episode 271 of Yakety-Yak, straight from the Yak's mouth. Thanks for watching. Please take care.